is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bed, where we rest our head. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish that swims through it all. G is for garden, green and bright. H is for house that glows at night. I is for ice cream, creamy and sweet. J is for jumping on happy feet. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for ladybug buzzing by. M is for moon that lights the skies. N is for nest where baby birds rise. O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for panda munching with glee. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow splashing down. S is for sun, it warms our day. T is for train that chugs away. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin with a lovely refrain. W is for whale who sings a tune. X is for xylophone, plink plonk boo. Y is for yellow, bright and fun. Z is for zebra who loves to run. Now we've sung the ABC. Come and sing again with me.